Professor Saber Kadabende. I am responsible as company of BİO BEAUTY Pharma Cosmetic in Turkey. We producing different products, ingredient active. The main source of our products is caviar. So we extract caviar proteins and fatty acid that can use in different cosmetic and supplements products. For example, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and different cosmetic products, and also we can use in supplements for child and also for a sportive person that can use omega-3 and also different amino acids and peptides in source of caviar. Our products, for your information, you can visit our website bbcompany.com.